Unlock the true power of your financial data by mastering transaction categorization in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive into how to accurately categorize every income and expense in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your financial reporting is always spot on. First, navigate to your banking feed. You'll see a list of imported transactions. Each one needs a category. We'll start with an income transaction. Click on the transaction to open its details. Look for the category dropdown if it's an income transaction. Select the appropriate income account. Think in terms of what you sold or the service you provided, for example. If it's payment for consulting services, choose Consulting Income. Once you've selected the correct income account, click Add or Categorize, depending on your QuickBooks Online version. C. Simple and effective. Now, let's handle an expense. Imagine this is a payment to a vendor for office supplies. Again, click on the transaction to open its details and go to the category dropdown for expenses. You'll choose an expense account. Common ones include office supplies, utilities, or rent. Be specific. For this purchase, we'll select office supplies. After selecting the right expense category, click Add or Categorize. This process ensures your expenses are tracked accurately. Why is this crucial? Proper categorization allows QuickBooks to generate accurate profit and loss statements, giving you a clear picture of your profitability. It also makes generating balance sheets much easier. Accurate categorization streamlines your cash flow analysis, helping you understand where your money is going. This makes tax preparation a breeze, as your financial data is already organized for your accountant or tax software. And for long-term success, regularly review your banking feed to categorize new transactions as you grow. You might even need to create new categories to better reflect your business operations. Mastering this step is key to a healthy and manageable business. Happy categorizing!